In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import items in Zoho Books step by step. If you manage a large inventory or you're moving data from another system, manually creating items one by one can take a lot of time. The good news is that Zoho Books allows you to import items in bulk using a simple CSV or Excel file, which makes the entire process much faster and more efficient. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through where to find the import option, how to upload your file, how to map your fields correctly, and how to complete the import without errors. This is especially helpful for businesses setting up Zoho Books for the first time or migrating their inventory from another accounting system. So if you want to save time and manage your inventory more efficiently, keep watching. And if you find this tutorial helpful at any point, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Zoho Books tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump right into the process. First, log into your Zoho Books account and open your dashboard. Once you're inside Zoho Books, look over to the left side of the screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. In that sidebar, find and click on the section labeled Items. This is the area where Zoho Books stores all of your products, services, and inventory items. After clicking Items, you'll be taken to the Items Management page where you can see the list of all items currently available in your account. Depending on your setup, you may see categories like Items or Inventory Items. Go ahead and select Items so you can view the full list of products or services already in your system. Now that you're inside the Items section, the next step is to locate the Import option. In the top right corner of the page, look for a small menu icon that appears as 3 horizontal lines. This menu contains additional actions you can perform on your items list. Click on this 3-line menu to open the drop-down menu. Once the drop-down menu appears, look for the option labeled Import Items. Go ahead and click on Import Items to start the bulk import process. Zoho Books will now open the Item Import page where you can upload your data file. On this page, you'll see a button that says Choose File. This is where you upload the CSV or Excel file that contains the list of items you want to import into Zoho Books. Click the Choose File button and select your prepared spreadsheet from your computer. Your file should already contain columns such as item name, SKU, rate, description, or any other fields you want to include in Zoho Books. Once your file is uploaded, Zoho Books will move to the next step, where you configure how the data should be imported. One important setting you'll see here is character encoding. In most cases, you should leave this set to UTF-8, which ensures that text and special characters are imported correctly without formatting issues. After confirming the encoding, the next step is mapping your fields. Field mapping simply means matching the columns in your spreadsheet with the correct fields inside Zoho Books. For example, the item name column in your spreadsheet should match the item name field in Zoho Books. Carefully review each column and make sure everything lines up correctly so your data imports exactly where it should. Once you've confirmed the mapping, continue to the final step and click the Import button. Zoho Books will now process your file and automatically create all the items from your spreadsheet inside your account. In just a few moments, your items list will be updated with the newly imported products or services, saving you a huge amount of manual work. And that's how you import items in Zoho Books quickly and efficiently using a CSV or Excel file. This feature is incredibly useful when setting up your inventory or migrating from another accounting platform. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Zoho Books tutorials, accounting software guides, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.